We mentioned earlier on that we want to get each of our date headers into a single column. And that will also mean that our sales values all become in one column. At the moment, the layout of our data looks very similar to a pivot table. And that is because we've got attributes down the left-hand side in the rows of store and category, but we've also got some attributes along the top in terms of date values. So if presenting data like this and moving the dates into the column headers is called pivoting, then to bring those dates back into the rows, it's only natural to call that unpivoting. Select the columns that you want to keep in place. So that's the store and the category column, and you can multi-select those using Shift or Control. Once you've selected those, go to the Transform tab and find the Unpivot Columns button. Make sure you press the little arrow to the right-hand side. And we're going to unpivot the other columns. By doing it this way, we keep it flexible to however many other columns there are, unpivot them. Now that we've unpivoted, we get two new columns. One is an attribute and one is a value. We know that the attribute represents a date, so let's rename that column by double-clicking on that column header. And we can do the same for the value column, which we know represents sales.
What you've just learned is just a tiny part of what Power Query is capable of. From merging similar files to automatically filtering and pivoting data, the possibilities are endless. Check out our Power Query Fundamentals course, where we'll cover all the most valuable techniques and best practices to get you started. You'll have interactive exercises to test your skills, and a short final exam and certificate to prove what you know.